Hi, good morning to everyone. I'm D.Radhasri, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about financial accounting. It was taken for the first year BCom students. Let me see about what is the interaction of financial accounting. Financial accounting. When we say about accounting is the process of identifying, recording, summarizing, and report economic information to decision making in the form of a financial statement. This is very important when we are putting an account. We want to know the process of identifying and we want to know the recording and summarizing and reporting the economic conditions. For a business, we want to take a decision making. We want to analyze this the financial statement. Then financial accounting is the process of the specified needs for decision making in external to the organization, such as our stockholders, suppliers, banks, and the government agencies. This is the very important for our decision making for the financial accounting to take important decisions. In that way, only the agencies are taking in the place of the stakeholders and suppliers and banks are handling in their government agency. Then we want to know about the traditional accounting such as recording of the historical descriptions of financial activities in a business. When the role of the accounting, it is a recording of keepers. In the modern items, we can be say about the selective activities of the tools handling for the management for taking a decisions. When a management have to take an important decision, we want to analyze the financial statement of the business conditions. It is a more information system rather than the recording keeping of the system. Financial accounting is the basic concept. We want to know the how to keep a bookkeeping, recording, and transaction. It can be take place by the summarizing and giving a report in the final condition. How it can be handled in the proper way. This is the process we can be taken in the process phase. Then we want to know the what are the different types of accounts they are maintaining. We can able to say there is a lot of accounts, but very important to know about the management accounting, fund accounting, and the auditors and financial accounting and tax accounting and cost accounting. These are the main categories we want to know the in different ways of accounting. In the cases of the accounts of business, we can be handled in the management and the risk of the taken by the cost accounting. In the way of the financial accounting habit takes place of the auditing and financial accounting take place of the tax accommodations. In that way only, they divided into the financial accounting as the way of the management accounting. In the financial accounting, we can able to identify the external use of the accounting informations, and in the management accounting, we can able to say over the internal use of financial accounting. In the various of the store stages, it can be carried out by the internal of the creditors and the customers of the trade auditing and the management on the employee have been taken place for the decision making in the process. In the investor, when we are investing a business into it, we want to know the day-to-day process of what is going on the way of this. In the category only, the creditor have been take place by the customers and taxation have been take hand out by this. The management on the employee, it is the internal use of the accounting information. The management accounting have take the employee for the improving of the internal use of account making in the information system. The tax audit is taken by the taxation of fulfilling the government agency by applying the financial accounting. In the way of the accounting and auditing is take place by the financial management to updating the cost management accounting in the fulfillment of the activities can be taken by the management accounting. In the way only the accounting and financial accounting it can be taken in the different way of handling the financial accounting as the way of the management accounting. In the both case, we have to know about the external users and also we want to know about the external users. For this purpose, only financial accounting has taken an important in the category of accounting. This is the basic of this accounting. We can able to identify how can the process in the way of marketing have been taken place. The way only financial accounting has been step by step they are increasing the objectives of the financial accounting. They want to know the categories of the total resource have been taken place the information of the financial system. Rather than that, technology had been taken based on objectives and outsiders and the investors and the suppliers, creditor, purchase, sales that can be taken by the in the proper way of handling the fusion of this accounting. In the way only it can be take place that a proper condition have been handled by the financial accounting. In the system only it can be take place by the proper of handlings. This is the financial accounting taking a place of the important the various categories. In the way only It can be divided into seven categories to the know about the decision making process of the management and the gap filling. We want to know the material costing of the financial statements. Then we want to identify the double entry of the system and the actual entries of the it can be ethics of the product management by the judgment. The end of the process we want to know the income statement and balance sheet. For that purpose, the income statement we want to know the categories of the trading accounting and as well as the profit and loss accounting. In the way only it can be handled for the futures in the achieving goal can be handled for these sections. These are the various categories we can be able to identify in the balance sheet also in the income statement also. This is the process of the introduction of the financial accounting. These are the categories. Thank you for listening these sections. Thank you.